Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that's especially important for my senior viewers, preventing those pesky leg cramps. You know, the ones that seem to strike at the worst possible times. Well, we're going to fight back with the power of food. We're going to break down the top 3 foods that can help strengthen your legs and keep those cramps away. We're talking about simple, delicious foods you can easily add to your diet to make a real difference. Let's get started. Alright, let's talk about the first food on our list. Bananas! These yellow fruits are not just delicious but also incredibly nutritious. Now you've probably heard that bananas are packed with potassium, and that's absolutely true. But there's so much more to these tropical delights. So, why is potassium so important for preventing leg cramps? Let's dive into the science behind it. Well, here's the deal. Potassium acts like an electrolyte in our bodies. Electrolytes are essential for many bodily functions. Electrolytes are like tiny electrical messengers that help our muscles contract and relax properly. Without them, our muscles can't function as they should. When we don't have enough potassium, our muscles can get out of whack, leading to those painful cramps. It's like a miscommunication in your muscle fibers. Think of it like this. Imagine your muscles are like a car battery. If the battery doesn't have enough charge, the car won't start, right? Similarly, if your muscles don't have enough potassium, they can't perform their functions efficiently. Potassium is like that charge for our muscles. It keeps everything running smoothly, ensuring that our muscles can contract and relax without any issues. It keeps everything running smoothly. Whether you're jogging, stretching, or just going about your daily activities, potassium is there to support you. Now, bananas are a fantastic source of potassium. Just one medium-sized banana packs a serious potassium punch, providing about 12% of your daily needs. That's a pretty good deal, right? But the benefits of bananas don't stop there. Bananas are also incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in many different ways. But here's the thing about bananas, they're not just about potassium. They're also a great source of other nutrients that are important for muscle health, like magnesium and vitamin B6. Magnesium works hand in hand with potassium to regulate muscle contractions, while vitamin B6 helps our bodies use energy efficiently, which is crucial for active muscles. Magnesium and potassium together create a powerful duo that ensures your muscles are always ready to perform. And vitamin B6? It plays a vital role in energy metabolism, making sure your muscles have the fuel they need to keep you moving. So, by incorporating bananas into your diet, you're not just getting a potassium boost, you're giving your muscles a whole lot of love. It's like a comprehensive care package for your muscles. You're giving your muscles a whole lot of love, and who wouldn't want that? Now I know what you might be thinking, Dr. Mike, I don't love eating plain bananas every day, and that's totally fine. There are so many delicious ways to enjoy bananas. You can slice them up on your breakfast cereal, blend them into a smoothie, or even freeze them for a healthy and refreshing treat. You can slice them up on your breakfast cereal, adding a sweet and nutritious touch to your morning meal. Blend them into a smoothie for a quick and easy way to get your potassium fix, or even freeze them for a healthy and refreshing treat. Frozen bananas make for a great snack on a hot day. Personally, I love adding a banana to my morning oatmeal or yogurt. It adds natural sweetness and a creamy texture that's just perfect. Plus, it's a great way to start your day with a nutrient boost. But here's a pro tip. If you're looking to maximize the potassium content of your bananas, go for the ones that are slightly greener. As bananas ripen, their starch content turns into sugar, which is still good for you, but it means the potassium concentration decreases slightly. So, if you're specifically targeting leg cramps, those slightly greener bananas are the way to go. But it means the potassium concentration decreases slightly. So if you're specifically targeting leg cramps, those slightly greener bananas are the way to go. They might not be as sweet, but they're packed with more potassium. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to preventing leg cramps. Instead of just eating a whole bunch of bananas at once, try incorporating them into your diet regularly. Make it a habit to have a banana a day, or at least a few times a week. Your muscles will thank you for it. So go ahead, grab a banana, and give your body the potassium boost it needs. Let's move on to our next muscle-loving food, sweet potatoes. These vibrant orange wonders are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can help keep those leg cramps at bay. Sweet potatoes are a fantastic source of vitamins and minerals, making them a great addition to any diet. And the secret weapon in sweet potatoes? Magnesium. Magnesium is like the Robin to potassium's Batman when it comes to muscle function. This dynamic duo works together to ensure your muscles perform at their best. They work together to keep your muscles working smoothly and prevent those painful cramps. Imagine having a reliable partner that always has your back. That's what magnesium does for potassium. You see, magnesium plays a crucial role in muscle relaxation. When you contract a muscle, your body needs magnesium to help it relax back to its normal state. This process is essential for preventing muscle fatigue and ensuring proper muscle function. Without enough magnesium, your muscles can stay contracted, leading to cramps and spasms. This can be particularly troublesome for athletes and active individuals who rely on their muscles to perform optimally. Sweet potatoes are like little magnesium mines, providing a significant amount of this essential mineral in every serving. Just one medium sweet potato can provide you with a good portion of your daily magnesium needs. But here's the best part. Sweet potatoes are incredibly versatile. You can bake them, roast them, mash them, or even spiralize them into noodles. The possibilities are endless. Whether you're looking for a savory dish or a sweet treat, sweet potatoes can fit the bill. One of my favorite ways to enjoy sweet potatoes is to roast them in the oven with a little olive oil, salt, and pepper. The high heat brings out their natural sweetness, and they develop a crispy exterior while staying soft and fluffy on the inside. This method enhances their flavor and makes them a delightful addition to any meal. They make a delicious and satisfying side dish to any meal. Pair them with your favorite protein and vegetables for a well-rounded and nutritious plate. But here's a fun fact. Did you know that the color of your sweet potato can actually tell you something about its nutritional content? It's true. Orange-fleshed sweet potatoes are an excellent source of beta-carotene, which our bodies convert into vitamin A. Vitamin A is important for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune function. It's a vital nutrient that supports overall health and well-being. On the other hand, purple sweet potatoes are packed with anthocyanins, which are powerful antioxidants that can help protect our cells from damage. These antioxidants play a crucial role in reducing inflammation and supporting heart health. So, don't be afraid to mix it up and try different varieties of sweet potatoes to reap the full spectrum of their nutritional benefits. Each type offers unique health advantages, so incorporating a variety can enhance your diet. And here's a pro tip for all my athletes out there. Sweet potatoes are a great source of complex carbohydrates, which provide sustained energy for your workouts. These carbs are slowly digested, giving you a steady supply of energy. Try having a small sweet potato before your next workout and see how much better you feel. The natural sugars and fiber in sweet potatoes can help maintain your energy levels throughout your exercise routine. So, there you have it. Sweet potatoes are a delicious and nutritious way to boost your magnesium intake and keep those leg cramps away. They are a versatile and tasty addition to any meal plan. Add them to your plate and feel the difference. Enjoy the benefits of this magnesium powerhouse and savor the delicious flavors they bring to your meals. Alright, let's talk about the third food on our list of leg cramp crusaders, spinach. This humble leafy green is more than just a salad filler, it's a nutritional powerhouse that can help keep those annoying leg cramps at bay. This leafy green powerhouse is often overlooked, but it's a true nutritional champion, especially when it comes to preventing those pesky muscle cramps. Spinach is packed with a variety of nutrients that are essential for muscle health. And you know what? It's not just for Popeye anymore. While Popeye made spinach famous for its strength-boosting properties, modern science backs up its benefits. Spinach is like a multivitamin in disguise. It's loaded with essential vitamins and minerals that support overall health, making it a fantastic addition to any diet. It's loaded with essential vitamins and minerals including calcium and magnesium, which, as we've learned, are crucial for muscle function and preventing cramps. These nutrients work together to ensure your muscles contract and relax properly. Calcium is like the construction worker of our bones and teeth, but it also plays a vital role in muscle contractions. Without enough calcium, your muscles might not function as efficiently, leading to cramps and discomfort. Think of it as the signal that tells your muscles to get moving. When your body has adequate calcium, it can send the right signals to your muscles, ensuring smooth and effective contractions. Now here's where spinach really shines. It's one of the best plant-based sources of calcium out there. This makes it an excellent choice for those who prefer plant-based diets or are lactose intolerant. And for my vegan and dairy-free viewers, this is a game changer. You can get your calcium needs met without relying on dairy products. You don't have to rely solely on dairy products to get your daily dose of calcium. Spinach provides a versatile and delicious alternative. Spinach has got you covered. But wait, there's more. This leafy green is also rich in magnesium, another crucial mineral for muscle health. Spinach is also a great source of potassium, which, as we discussed earlier, is essential for maintaining electrolyte balance and preventing muscle cramps. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance in the body, ensuring that your muscles stay hydrated and function properly. So, by incorporating spinach into your diet, you're getting a triple whammy of muscle-loving nutrients: calcium, magnesium, and potassium. These three nutrients work synergistically to support muscle health and prevent cramps. Talk about a nutritional powerhouse. Whether you're an athlete, a senior, or just someone who wants to stay active and healthy, spinach can be a valuable addition to your diet. Now I know what you might be thinking. Dr. Mike, I'm not the biggest fan of raw spinach, and that's totally fine. There are plenty of ways to enjoy spinach without having to eat it raw. There are so many delicious ways to sneak spinach into your meals without even realizing it. You can blend it into smoothies where the other ingredients mask its flavor, or stir it into sauces for an extra nutrient boost. You can add a handful to your smoothies, stir it into your pasta sauces, or even layer it on your sandwiches. The possibilities are endless. Spinach is incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into a wide variety of dishes. One of my favorite ways to enjoy spinach is to sauté it with a little garlic and olive oil. This simple preparation method enhances the flavor of spinach and makes it more palatable for those who might not enjoy it raw. The heat wilts the spinach down, making it more manageable, and the garlic adds a delicious, savory flavor. It's a quick and easy way to prepare spinach that even picky eaters might enjoy. You can serve it as a simple side dish, or use it as a base for omelets, frittatas, or even pizzas. Spinach pairs well with a variety of ingredients, making it a versatile addition to many recipes. And here's a pro tip. If you're short on time, you can always opt for frozen spinach. It's just as nutritious as fresh spinach, and can be a convenient option for busy days. It's just as nutritious as fresh spinach, and can be added directly to your dishes without any thawing required. This makes it a great option for quick and easy meals. Just make sure to squeeze out any excess water before using it. This will prevent your dishes from becoming too watery and ensure that the spinach blends well with other ingredients. So there you have it. Spinach is a delicious and versatile way to boost your intake of calcium, magnesium, and potassium, all of which are essential for preventing leg cramps. By incorporating spinach into your diet, you can enjoy its numerous health benefits and keep those leg cramps at bay. Add this leafy green to your plate and feel the difference. Whether you enjoy it raw, cooked, or blended into your favorite dishes, spinach is a fantastic way to support your muscle health and overall well-being. There you have it, folks. 3 amazing foods that can help you prevent those annoying leg cramps and keep your legs feeling strong and healthy. Remember, incorporating these foods into your diet regularly is key. Don't wait for the cramps to strike. Be proactive and give your body the nutrients it needs to thrive. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.